So, said I was gonna explain what's going on. Don't freak out. Everything's all good. I almost chopped off my fingertip. No big deal, right? I mean, it's no big deal if you say it's no big deal. And I said it's no big deal, okay? So it's no big deal. Making it a big deal. It's not a big deal. Anyways, what happened is I was getting a little hungry, okay? And I had a watermelon in the fridge, you know? Who the fuck doesn't like watermelon? It's the shit. I know. Watermelon, bomb. Anyways, just went stabby, slicey on that watermelon. Yeah, I almost cut my fingertip off, but it's all good. Band-aided it up, and we're good, man. We're thriving. First thing I do is look for the nearest canvas, because I'm like, man, this blood is primo. I need to splatter this on the canvas and make some art, right? This is an art. I'm fucking psycho. Tendrils. Alright, I think I see a vision. Let's go with you. Oh yeah, fucking sick. Yeah, now I think I'm gonna draw on it. I don't want to take away the integrity of the blood, so I think I'm just gonna come in with some fine black pen, see what this turns into.
The blood painting has risen from heaven. Now, it just praising its glory, its body.
Yeah, so let's get to drawing. Destruction. Yeah, this was an interesting piece. For sure. Came out of nowhere, super spontaneous. I am honestly beyond stoked with how this thing turned out. I think the cool thing about this project was it forced me into this very minimalist color scheme, sticking with pretty much red and then using white to highlight some areas and black for for outline and shadows. Yeah, just using red in general. It was so different from the normal pieces I worked on. I normally use multiple different colors in my pieces, so just being limited to one color really changed everything with this piece. My finger is, which I don't even know which finger it is. Finger's back. We're good. A couple weeks after the blood painting, like it didn't even happen, except it did. And we got this dope piece of art. Interesting piece. It was a weird one. Hopefully it wasn't too weird for you. It's only gonna get weirder, so...